Hello my friends. Today I'm going to show you how to create realistic character for your render with any programs. This AI power tools maybe change you level of your job, so make sure to like and share it with your friends. The first step is registration on website, Krea.ai, and this website till now is totally free. And you just to click on upscale and enhance for start the magic. You can import your photo or rendering in the upper left part and wait for the website to automatically write information about the photo for you. In the style section, you can choose the style you want, and the two options below are parameters to change your rendering, so use it carefully and without exaggeration. According to my experience from this website, the best size for the first option is between 2 and 3, and for the second option it is between 7 and 8. And wow, this is the final result, and you can see the huge difference from the original render that was too blurry, and now everything is sharp and realistic. I hope to enjoy my tutorial and make sure to share with your friends and like it.